Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best camping cookwares that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bisgear Camping Cookware with Stove. Bisgear Camping Cookware is one of the top-rated camping cookware on the market. This 16 pieces camping cookware set comes with a foldable spoon, fork, spoon combination, 1 pot, 1 pan with lid, 2 BPA-free bow, a rice ladle, mini stove, a canister stand tripod, and 1 nylon bag to carry all items. The pot and pan are made of aluminum oxide material with non-stick coating. The aluminum material is non-toxic, wear-resistant, long-lasting, and conduct heat fast. The cookware has high-temperature resistant folding handle designed to save you space. All the items in this cooking set can be easily stored together in the provided mesh bag for convenient carry and space saving. Lastly, this cookware is multi-purpose and it is perfect for stir-frying, frying or boiling. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the MallMeo Camping Cookware Mess Kit. This is another quality camping cookware mess kit that you should not ignore. This non-stick cookware set is designed got 1 or 2 persons. The pot and frying pan are made of hard anodized aluminum material, so they are light and sturdy. This set also comes with foldable handles on the pot, pan, and soup spoon to save the storage space. The MallMeo Camping Cookware set also comes with a mesh bag for easy storage and transportation. This camping cooking set is available in multiple options including 1-liter and 2-liter cookware size. At number 3, we have the Gear 4U Camping Cookware. The Gear 4U is a versatile camping cookware, which comes with everything you require to fully enjoy your meals outdoors. This 13 pieces mess kit includes 1 non-stick pot with lid, 1 pan, 2 sporks, 2 cups with lids, 1 soup ladle, 1 bamboo spatula, and a cleaning sponge. The pan and pot are made of the highest quality, non-toxic anodized aluminum material. Also, the pot and pan have a non-stick coating which makes cleaning a breeze. Both the pan and pot have silicone-coated handles that are foldable for easy storage. The silicone handles provide a good grip and protect you from burning when cooking. All items in this cooking set nestle perfectly together for easy storage. The complete cookware set easily fit into the included nylon bag for easy carrying. At number 2, we have the Terra Hiker Camping Cookware Set. No matter if you an amateur backpacker or a professional hiker, this 10 pieces camping cookware can satisfy all your outdoor cooking needs. This camping cook pot set comes with all your kitchen essentials, offering a perfect solution for cooking food and boiling water outdoors. The set contains 1 pot with lid, 1 teapot, plastic bowl, serving ladle, cleaning sponge, and bamboo stick. The serving ladle and bowls are made of food-grade PP plastic. Each cookware has insulated plastic handles to protect your finger from heat. The handles are foldable for easy storage and carry. What's more, everything in this cookware set can be neatly packed in a mesh bag to make it easy for you to carry. This set is perfect for hiking, backpacking, camping, and more. And finally, at number 1, we have the KingCamp Portable Camping Cookware. Are you searching for a larger-sized camping cookware set that can work well for a family of 4 to 6 people? Then, the KingCamp Camping Cook Pot Set is a perfect choice for you. This 17 pieces kit comes with 3 pots with lids, 5 bowls, 1 frying pan, 2 plates, 1 spoon, 1 foldable ladle, cleaning sponge and 1 carry bag. The frying pan and pots of this cooking kit are made of hard anodized aluminum material which is durable, non-toxic and durable. On top of that, the pan and pots are coated with non-stick material for easy cleaning and cooking. The spoon and bowls are made of food-grade plastic, which is durable and environmental. Moreover, the pan and pots nest inside each other and the folds down to make them compact and for easy storage in the included mesh bag. This 17 pieces cookware is ideal for hiking, picnic, camping, backpacking, and other outdoor activities. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.